Assalamu alaikum. Hi there. Before we start, do subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 Extended 0580 Variant 22 May-June 2020. Question number 1. Write down the rotational symmetry of the diagram. As you can see, two sides are common. So the order of rotational symmetry will be 2. Question number 2. At noon, the temperature in Maseru was 21 degrees. At midnight, the temperature had fallen by 26 degrees. Work out the temperature at midnight. So it was 21 and it fell by 26 degrees, so minus 26. This will give us negative 5 degrees Celsius as the answer. Question number 3, we have been given a triangle and an angle here, ABC, D. AB is equal to BC. This is equal to this. And ABD is a straight line. Find the value of x. This line here denotes that AB and BC are equal. So the angles will also be equal. This is a case of isosceles triangle. There are two ways to solve this question. One is that the outside interior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite exterior angle. We know that this is an isosceles triangle, so angle CAB will also be x. So x plus x is equal to the outside angle, which is 50. X plus x means 2x is equal to 50. X is equal to 50 divided by 2, which is 25. Now suppose you didn't remember this rule. I will write down the rule. Here it is. The outside exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. But suppose if you didn't remember this rule, then you know that angles in a straight angle equal to 180. So this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. To get angle ABC, we will subtract from 180 50. That will give us 130. And we know that this is x. The sum of the interior angles is equal to 180. So we can say x plus x is 2x plus 130 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 minus 130, which is 50, and x is equal to 50 divided by 225. Whichever way you remember, you can solve it in that way. Question number 4. Write down a square number greater than 10. This is a very easy question. You know what are square numbers. 1 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 is greater than 10. An irrational number. Take any prime number and square root it. That is an irrational number. Prime numbers are those numbers that are not divisible by any other number except 1 in itself. Question number 5. Y is equal to mx plus c. Find the value of y when m is equal to negative 3, x is equal to negative 2, and c is equal to negative 8. Very, very easy 2-mark question. We just replace everything. So m is negative 3. Remember to put the bracket. X is negative 2 and c is negative 8. Put this in the calculator and you will get negative 2 as the answer. Question number 6. Calculate the area of the trapezium. We have to use this formula, half bracket a plus bh. A and b are the two parallel lengths. So we write half 11 plus 7. H is the height, which is 5 multiplied by 5. The whole thing put in the calculator, you will get 45 square centimeter as the answer. Number 7. On the Venn diagram, shade the region A intersection B. A intersection B is the overlapping region, the region in the middle. Question number 8, write 2 to the power of negative 4 as a decimal. So what you will do, write this in the calculator the same way, and you will get 1 over 16 as the answer. To write it as a decimal, in your calculator, above the delete button is this SD. Press that, and this fraction will turn into a decimal, 0.0625. Question number 9. The bearing of B from A is 105. 105 is less than 180, so it's going to be the inside. Remember small things like that, it makes things easier. And you want to find the bearing of A from B. To find the bearing of A from B, from the north, from B, we take a circle like this. So this is the bearing we want. From north, we always go clockwise. If you want to find the outside part, this angle, we just add to 180 the bearing which was inside the bearing of B from A, which was 105. This will give us 285. So that is the answer. Remember, if the outside bearing is there, it will be always more than 180. The inside bearing will be always less than 180. And bearing always goes from north clockwise direction. Question number 10. Simplify. You need to know your indices rule and simple simplification. First, always take the number 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then p multiplied by p will become p square. When we multiply and the base is same, we add the powers. If there is no power, there is 1. There is no t, so that will remain the same. And the q will get cancelled. So this is the answer. Question number 11. Without using a calculator workout, 13 over 4 minus 11 over 12. You must show all your working and give your answers as a fraction in its simplest form. The first thing, change the mixed fraction into improper fraction by multiplying 4 by 1 and adding 3. That will give us 7 over 4 minus 11 over 2. If you don't know how to change mixed into improper, in the calculator, press Shift and then the fraction button and write your numbers here, and this will give you 7 over 4. If you just press your fraction button, you will get 3 over 4, 2 boxes, and then many children put the number before here. This will give you 3 over 4, which is a wrong answer. So this is important. You always have to shift and then change. To add or subtract a fraction, you need to have a common denominator. 4 multiplied by 3 will give us 12. This we have to multiply on the top also. Do not put everything together in the calculator. Do step by step, because this is a 3-mark question, so we want all the marks. 7 multiplied by 3, 21 over 12 minus 11 over 12. Subtract the numerator only. 21 minus 11, it will give you 10, and the 12 is there. Now put this in the calculator and your answer is 5 over 6. If you do these steps, even though you're using a calculator, you will get your full marks. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. For question number 12 onwards, please watch part 2. Thank you for watching.